Hey everyone, August 7 here with Capital Data Analytics. Today we're going to do a Makeover Monday video of a sales funnel dashboard. So this sales funnel dashboard that you can see here is one of the first dashboards that I made when I was learning Tableau. Have come a long way since originally making this dashboard. So I put together a new sales funnel dashboard. In this video, we're just going to review kind of what the old dashboard looked like, kind of the ideas behind it, and then going into the new dashboard, why some of the things were put together the way they were, and kind of just look at the nice visuals, kind of the new skills that I've learned over time. So on this original dashboard, you can see here, besides being very old looking, very Excel's 90s kind of visualizations here, we have our donut chart. Must have just learned how to make donut charts, so it's right up here at the top. So that's your acquisition source, kind of broken out. Also have the funnel here. So this is back-to-back bar charts. That's how that was made. The acquisition funnel kind of shows your progression of conversion rate from step to step. And then in the tooltip, it kind of gives you a little bit of breakdown with some dynamic text to highlight some of those key metrics for this funnel. And then at the bottom is the KPIs when looking at funnel analytics. So you're kind of saying, okay, how long were people in stages? How many, not even sure what client employees is, but there's two of them. Past revenue, total dollars, etc. So I took this and came up with a new dashboard. So here's what I came up with. You can first see the KPIs are put on the left-hand side. So in general, I usually put KPIs across the top, but to make this dashboard, flow a little bit better, and also when I show you the filtering, the filtering will drop down right there. I put them to the left here. So this just gives you kind of your main KPIs, your days to sell, your total opportunity dollars, average size, revenue are all listed out there. Now looking at the funnel, so just in general made kind of a nicer looking funnel, no longer have that back-to-back bar chart. You get kind of your metrics right here on the page. So you can see the total numbers in each step. When we're looking at each step, you notice we have a conversion percentage here. And then additionally on this one, we have the stage percentage and then the overall percentage. So the way you can look at these numbers is saying, okay, however many percent made it from the previous step to the end of this step. And then you can say, okay, this percentage of people made it from the top of the funnel down to this spot. So that just gives you a little more context than what we were getting in the other dashboard. Finally, I added in some filtering. So the previous one didn't have filtering. This one does. So this acquisition source is broken out here. You can click on this and you could filter the page. And then up here, it tells you what you filtered on. So that dynamic text will adjust to show you based on what you're selecting. So that is the Makeover Monday for the sales funnel dashboard.